Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. This is Irina here today. I hope you're doing great. If you're new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe and put the thumbs up if you like this video. Today I am preparing the mixture of essential oils that would help facial or nerve pain. And this is especially good for TMJ, because we're using the palmarosa essential oil. So the recipe is actually pretty simple. We need to mix 3 oils such as lavender, palmarosa, and chamomile in the carrier oil. And I suggest you use the roller bottle because you would need to apply it on your jawline, so it would actually be easier to just smooth it from the ears along the jawline. So let's begin. Of course, you can triple, double the recipe, but just from the starters, I always recommend to make a small amount so you could see how you like it, and always do a little patch test before applying these oils because this is so close to your face. But again, this is also the recipe for the nerve pain. We shall need 2 tablespoons or 1 ounce of carrier oil. I'm using today the jojoba oil, but any oil will do. I have combination skin, and this is pretty much one of the oily oils that would work and not aggravate or cause any breakouts. Grapeseed also will work well. So 1 ounce is 2 tablespoons. I'm mixing everything in here. It would be easier for me to first prepare the mixture and then using the small funnel kind of transfer it into this bottle. We shall need 3 drops of chamomile. This is the Roman chamomile. This is the one I have on hand. If you happen to have German chamomile, it would work even better. For this amount of carrier oil, I shall only use 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. We shall need another 3 drops of lavender essential oil. As you can see, I have a huge bottle because this is like one of the staple oils that I use. So 1, 2, and 3. So that was precisely 3 drops. And now palmarosa. Palmarosa is the main oil, I would say, in this recipe. We shall need 1/4 teaspoon. The easiest way to measure 1/4 teaspoon would be to get a measuring spoon, obviously. So that's about 15, 16 drops of palmarosa. I add it all in here, and using the same measuring spoon, I would just need to kind of mix everything in here. And one last step would be to transfer it into the container. I'm going to put the funnel in here and carefully add it inside the bottle. Doing very well so far. This bottle is full. It will take me 2 bottles like this. So, but for demonstration, 1 is good enough. This is it. Now, again, the way you're going to use it, you would need to maybe let it sit 15 minutes or so. So I believe in this great power of really mixing everything up. And then you would need to start at the ears and apply along the jawline. Pretty much like that. You don't need to go crazy and like put too much because the essential oils are still very potent. And in the beginning, I advise you to do a little patch test so you see how you're doing with the oils. And if you've never tried any oils before, obviously you could prepare this recipe using less amount of oils at first and then kind of slowly try to increase the amount. A video where I am sharing my natural tips that help me with the pain, with the jaw pain I have. I haven't been diagnosed with TMJ though. I haven't seen a doctor for that. But every time you have any type of pain, especially facial pain, just remember that this is pretty much the warning sign or signs from the pain centers of the brain, and you need to figure out what's causing it. That's really the most important thing. You could apply all kind of medications, all kind of oils, but if, let's say, you're sitting for too long at the computer and you put too much strain and tension on your shoulders and neck and just on your back, you need to start with that first, address that, and then maybe some relaxation techniques. This would actually help too, because of the lavender and chamomile. They're naturally very calming, and so I really hope that this will work out for you. If you have any other tips or suggestions for the people, you could share it in the comments down below this video. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I would put in the description of this video the link to another video where I'm sharing you the tips that really help me with the jaw pain. So all the best, guys. Please stay happy and healthy. Enjoy yourself every single day as much as you can, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.